What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. I have done some weight reduction for Volvo. As you can see, I have here a bunch of stuff, some carpets and some other parts I don't need anymore. I estimate that this pile of junk weighs about 20 or 20, maybe 25 kilos. So it's a huge weight reduction. And actually, if you can see, I don't know if there's light enough, but the floor is in quite good condition, only a little bit rust, because I painted this floor about maybe 7 years ago, and there's only a bit of rust there. As you can see, the tunnel is in very good condition, and I actually cleaned the car from inside. My vacuum stopped because the garbage bag broke and I don't have a new one, so there's some sand on the floor, but otherwise it's actually quite clean at the moment. I have also another small task for tonight. Turning signal switch should be like this, and now it's like this. My kids played with this car a few years ago, and there was a rough driver. Actually, I don't know which one. Or is it somebody else's kid? Maybe. Because it's always other kids that causes trouble, never mine. And this switch is actually, it's broken from that plastic part inside, so I have to change it. I left the wires there because now it's quite easy, just take a wire at a time, so then I can put it in the right pen. So this should be quite easy fix. There's only few screws that I have to put back. And now I test if this new, or actually old, switch works. Let's put ignition on, power is on, and left, oh yeah, yes, perfect, and right, yes, perfect, okay, it's a little bit stuck. And then lights on, and woohoo! Oh yes, we have the blue light, and as you can see from the wall, we have a working switch. Perfect. I'm so happy. And now we are again one step closer to MOT. I'm still waiting the ignition switch for Chevy. And I will do that ignition switch video immediately after I got the part, because I want to start that car so badly. But in the meantime, I will do these other projects. But don't worry, I'll be back. See you soon.